Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you what are the basis of the stock market. Now the stock market, you know that now what is stock market? A stock market is sorry, stock exchange or stock market. A stock market or is a market in which the companies, the shares of different companies are listed, and those are traded, those are issued to the general public for their trading. Now many different companies are traded in the stock market for this reason, and they provide they issue their shares to the public so they can be traded. They provide ownership in their company for to the public. Why they do this? They do this because I've said in my previous video as well, if the company when a company takes loan from a bank, they provide interest. But if they get listed on the stock exchange, and their shares are traded in the stock market, so in this way they do not need a bank loan. They only accumulate the investors capital and run their business with their capital. And instead of an interest, they provide dividends to their investors, maybe semi quarterly, quarterly, or yearly. That is the policy of maybe all of the companies, but they do this instead of the company. Now in the stock market, shares are traded. Shares are traded, which means if one person is if one person is selling their stocks, the other person is buying. Of bidding is happening in that one person is offering a low price and the second person is offering is willing to pay a higher price to buy those shares. So in this way, hands hands are exchanged between two people. So sorry, not hands, I mean is that papers are exchanged between two people, and one is buying and the other is selling. So in this way the shares are traded. Well, there are three types of trading in a in stock markets. One is short term trading, the other is long term trading, and the other is day trading. Short term usually happens for between 1 week or 2 week, or let's say a month. Long term is something that a year, 2 or 3, and day trading happens on the same day. In day trading, you usually buy a stock at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. That is day trading. And there is one more thing, which is known as leverage. So that is short positions. You can short your position at different levels. Now shorting your position means that when you have bought a share, let's say a stock is at its highest point, and you want to, and it starts, and you know that it will come down eventually, and from this level you can short your position at this level and close it whenever it starts to turn back. You can close it over at this level, so you have gained this much amount of profit. So that is all that is the true about shorting your position. Now the stock market is not that much risky. You only have to do your technical analysis. Without technical analysis, you there is nothing you can get. It's like solving a problem it's like solving a problem, a math problem, uh, without without the formulas and and a calculator. So it's just like that. So do not do that. Do not enter into the market without doing your technical analysis. You guys might have not known this, but technical analysis is a must for trading in the stock market. It gives you it provides you data, and it provides you with uh, it gives you a hint of where the market is heading, what is the direction of the market, what will happen in the market. So it gives you those things. And uh, and uh, mm, do your without and as you have done your technical analysis, also the risk margin, take profits, it all comes in that technical analysis. And do not be afraid of trading in the stock market, because stock market is not that difficult. It is very easy. You might have heard different opinions from people. You might have heard opinions from different people. Some are saying that It made me profit, it made me a millionaire. You might have saw that through YouTube. Some are saying that they've lost their everything. So both of the cases are true. Some have been made millionaire, and some have been made made broke. So you you'll have to be aware of these things, that risk comes from risk is risk is everywhere, wherever you go. But you'll have to take calculated risk. If once you have took calculated risk, it's not that difficult to trade in the stock market. Your life would be much easier. You won't face too much problem. So always take calculated risk. And that's all about the basis of the stock market. Shares are traded usually. And if you guys want to know more about the stock market, so let me know in the comment section. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.